Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing OnePlus 6. So peeling off the plastic, this is how the box looks like. Opening the box, firstly we have the phone itself. This is the mirror black variant. Let's put the phone aside and take a look at other contents inside the box. Here we have this leaflet which consists of SIM ejector tool and then some documentation of user guide and safety information. And then we have the OnePlus stickers. OnePlus have also included a clear case to go with the phone. And then also in the box we have USB-C cable and the dash charger. So here I'm peeling off the plastic, turning on the phone and going through the setup process, during which we will be asked to register my face, and once it's set up, it does unlock the phone instantly and it is super quick. In terms of storage, this phone has 64 gigabytes of internal storage, out of which 1.5 gigabytes is used by the phone, and there is no expandable storage on OnePlus 6. In terms of software, it is running Oreo right out of the box, and as you probably know, you can install the beta version of Android P on OnePlus 6. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the sensors, an earpiece and a camera. To the bottom we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have the power and alert slider, and to the right we have the volume buttons and SIM card slot. To the bottom we have speaker, USB-C port, noise cancelling microphone and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And to the top we have a secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the back we have dual lens camera, and under that we have the flash, and then we have fingerprint scanner followed by the OnePlus branding. Next, in terms of weight, this phone weighs at 181 grams. So like all other OnePlus phones, it's got good weight distribution to it, which makes the phone very comfortable to hold in the hand. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video. It will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you are interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. Once you're subscribed, make sure you hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.